part of the fence here was part of the first stage that Grant Simpson and the crew from Mount Whitnoon built. We're about 30 kilometres north of the Meeker Mount Whitnoon Road, travelling north, just come past the Mount Luke area, and this fence here is on a completely new alignment. There's no old fence or anything here to be removed, so this is the new fence standard that we're expecting, posts at 7 metres. My preference would be to have a barbed wire on the top, like they've used plain wire on the top here. I think a barbed wire not only stops the cattle leaning on the fence, but it also deters the dogs from jumping if they are going to do such a thing. Alright, coming into a little flip up section here. This flip up's probably 250 metres long, going past the box strut on the flip up, and this is used, the flip ups are used where there's no real defined channel as such, but there's water movement, so it's like a water course floods out across maybe 6 inches, what's that, 150 to 200 mil deep, and we use flip ups in those areas. Where there's defined channels, then we use floodgates. Okay, this is Jorgen Jensen's design of a flip up. So we've got a Geo Maxi, which is the heavier form of star picket, with a strut. This is right into solid granite here, right in the base of the creek channel, with a star picket with two chain links welded, one onto the Geo Maxi, one onto the star picket. And as the water flows, it obviously opens up, and the flow of the actual debris catching on the fence and the water moving through will lift it up. I'll just show you the hinge mechanism up this end here at the end. Once again, it's like a box strut with a top rail, 1.5 inch top rail, 2 inch over it, a strut mechanism here, and then this whole block will hinge up as the water flows through. Coming into a flip up and floodgate section here, so as you can see, there's more defined channels. So on my right now is a flip up, coming up to a floodgate on the channel with a little bit of mesh, solid mesh in between, all attached to Geo Maxis. Second floodgate, and then back onto a flip up again with the heavier foot mesh holding the edge of the foot netting down in the channels, keeps it engaged with the ground. And up here is the end of stage 1. Alright, so here we've got a double floodgate, so 2 floodgates alongside each other. Quite a shallow creek, but yeah, once again, when the water flows coming from that way through this way, and anything catches on here, it'll build up along the bottom, and hopefully it actually silt up that bottom of the creek area eventually, but the water will flow through the floodgate, push them open, and then they just start cutting in once the water goes down. Alright, this here is the very northern end of the first section that was built, or stage 1. And from the gate going out to my right, this is actually stage 3. This is the 3rd section that was built. And if we just keep going up here, there's a little sharp little jump up that they fenced up. And here we are, where they've been a little bit creative, a bit of artwork to actually fence up a little jump up there, just a little bit of a breakaway, stops at the bottom and then continues on again from up the top. Okay, here we've got some of our water mitigation works. These are what we call bunds or levee banks that we put in to stop the water from flowing down the fence line. You can actually see this is an old fence line that we've upgraded from a sheep fence to the dog fence. And you can actually see there's been some erosion just on this side of the fence. There's a little channel starting to wash out. That's the reason we put these banks across, and there's a number of banks probably about 50 metres apart, sometimes a bit more, up to 100 metres apart, and that then hopefully we'll get the water to run off the fence line and not cause erosion down the fence line. Right, here this is a section of new alignment. That star picket there is a sighter for the clearing, and this just is a section that has been completely relocated away from the old fence where there was some erosion issues on the old fence, and this will be a new alignment. It's just been cleared and no fencing at all as yet has been started. This section here is not being cleared or graded. The old fence is still standing. And we're entering into what we're calling the Roderick River section, which is quite shallow, slow moving, low energy water. So most of these are going to be flip ups. It's sort of easy to tell where the water runs because of the amount of grass on the ground. Now this flip up here is going to be what we call a light flip up, and it will be 600 metres long. And we're probably a couple of 100 metres into it already. So all this here is slow moving, low energy water that's basically just swimming along. So there's not really, doesn't get too deep, and if it does get deep, it's not moving quick anyway. So a flip up should be able to handle this. We won't be putting any floodgates into this bit here.